such an extent he's even got moss from Titsikama on his head. And this might come as a shock, a surprise. People might cry or even faint in the first place today at the hat competition. Because these people have actually done everything. Charming, most charming guy you've ever met. He's probably married. And he's got give them a big round, guys. They really went all out, and it's all handmade. And stolen from neighbors and so on. Yay! Congrats, you guys have really deserved
it. Toe bring hy hierdie ding in van Afrikaans wat die eerste in Arabiese karakters neergeskryf is. Want oorspronklik was al baie groot stryd tussen, want toe's Afrikaans al gepraat, dit is nou eintlik 'n soort slang Hollands.
Whatever you do will benefit me.
Party mense was van mening nee, dis 'n nuwe taal wat hier in Suid-Afrika tot sy reg gekom het en die puriste was en hulle wou toe ontwikkel as 'n amptelike en 'n wetenskaplike taal en die taalpuriste het gesê nee, ons moet bly by die Hollands en daardie so is eintlik dit het nog baie werk gekos net vir Afrikaans dat dit is nou besig om 'n institutional death te sterwe, maar om dit uit te bou as 'n regstaal, 'n wetenskaplike taal, jy weet wat
excuse me. Gaan jy